popular body style. 1970 Pontiac GTO two-door hardtop. 455 V8 underneath the hood. Power steering. AC, although I've not had the AC compressor kick on. It appears that all the components are there. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front Endura bumper. Of course, the iconic 1970 front end. 4-speed manual transmission paired up with that V8. This was an original 28 paint code, so a total blue. I guess I'd call it kind of a bright blue metallic. I wouldn't say it's exactly the same color as original, but beautiful blue color. A few spots where there's a little bit of a touch up here or there, but you can see the paint does have a nice shine to it, good luster. Check out the still pictures. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the Krager SS chrome wheels. Blue vinyl interior. That's what this would have had originally. Bucket seats up front. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, check out the engine bay. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. This is a true GTO. Also, you'll be able to check out the data tag and with the still pictures. Check out the style number. Picture of the VIN will also be in with the still pictures, as well as, like I said, the underside, trunk, interior. Does come with a full-size spare. I'll put back in the trunk. You can see along the wall over there. And uniqueclassiccars.com is where you can see those still pictures. Take a look down the driver's side from the rear to the front. I do want to point out one little spot up here I did notice. We've had some touch-up right there. So a few imperfections, but hey, one of those cars, get in and drive it, have some fun. Show it off, your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Now let's take a look at this interior. Again, blue vinyl. See the rear seats free of any rips, tears, holes. Go ahead and check out the door panels. In the still pictures, you'll be able to see the undersides of the doors. I have still pictures with the floor mats out, so you can see the carpeting. It's in fine shape. Vinyl on the driver's seat. A little bit of wear in the piping. Other than that, vinyl seats look good. That headliner, also good shape. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. I did have the wipers work fine. Aftermarket Pioneer stereo works. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Aftermarket tack over here, which is working. Also some aftermarket gauges. Take a look at those. Battery, oil pressure, temperature. That was a cold start, as you can see. Then the control unit for the AC. Show you that the radio does work here. Oh, there's one. Radio's fine. Take a look at the dash. Nice throttle response to this one. Good sounding car. This one will definitely turn some heads with the way it looks and the way it sounds. I'm going to pause this a second. Let me get this hood open, check out that engine bay, and we'll wrap this video up. Other side of the hood. There it is, 455. V8. Again, power steering. AC, you can see it over there. Once again, not had the compressor kick on and off. Has been converted though, as you can see here. A Aluminum radiator. 2 electric fans. HEI ignition, 4-barrel. Looks good underneath there. Looks good and sounds good. The ever popular 1970 Pontiac GTO 2-door hardtop. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. 507-386-1726 phone number. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 1970 Pontiac GTO. Beautiful blue inside and out. It's a 4-speed on the floor. Radio works good. We have a blower for defrost. Under the dash there is another HVAC unit. The blower motor works. The wipers are not working. Oh! One wiper does work. The other arm is missing. It does work. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but the roads are primarily dry. And we do wash our cars so we can do these driving videos for you. She gets up to speed quick. This 4-speed is lots of fun. We have an aftermarket tach here. This appears to be reading possibly correct. It says 2400 at 50 miles an hour. Under the dash is a temperature gauge that does not come up off of 140. The wheel pressure is 60, volts are 14, so we're looking good on that. It's a comfortable car. It sounds really good. Great power steering, easy to drive. This Hurst handle's just in the right spot for me. Let's see. She goes nice and straight down the road, doesn't pull. Steering feels good. I don't think there's any play. It's just a ratio that is good for driving. We'll get another acceleration here. It's a really good running car. We're in 3rd. There's 4th. Lots of fun. Check this car out at UniqueClassicCars.com.